Hey guys! Have you always wanted to try to do your own makeup during your evening events? Then here's an easy tutorial for you. Since this is for an evening makeup, I suggest you use a medium coverage foundation that is buildable to full. Then add more layers to areas where you need more coverage. Conceal if necessary. Using a damp sponge, just press the powder into the areas where you tend to oil up. For the rest of the face, dust it off with powder. To make the contour more simple, the trick is to imagine sweeping the number 3 on your face, like so. Again. Pomades are great for making the eyebrows look more defined, but if you're not comfortable with it, you can still use pencil or powder. For this tutorial, let's just use 2 eyeshadow shades. A medium shade and a dark shade. this tutorial helps. However, if you feel that you need a professional makeup service or you just want to be pampered, please do not hesitate to send my makeup page, Makeup by Addie, a message. Thank you once again, and please subscribe to my channel.